back. You almost spilled that.
Nice.
Yeah, we were gonna film today, but we just decided not to. We didn't have time. We were just showing people around, just showing them the trails, and then we had a couple unfortunate issues. Like, we got lost.
This guy got stuck.
That's Austin, by the way.
Yeah, if you want to follow him, his Instagram is linked in the description.
On the screen now, too.
Yeah, so you should check that out.
Yeah, we're going to film all day tomorrow. We're going to take the Polaris Arts Cap. We're going to go do the 4 trail. And then do some rock climb and stuff like that. We're going to go up the trail. I can't remember what trail it is. What trail is it? By the creek.
25 is how you get to the creek. Yeah, 25 is how you get to the creek, and then 25 is how you get to 26, and 26 is how you get to 20 to the creek. It's very confusing. In fact, it took us almost an hour to get out from when we got stuck there. So like,
yeah,
it's ridiculous.
We all got separated.
Yeah.
I was trying to find them. They were trying to find me. It was
very hectic.
A little frustrating.
And then it got dark and all the trails, couldn't see anything. So it doesn't matter how much you know these woods.
Yeah, and you have no service out here.
You're gonna put the side by side on 2 wheels.
Yeah, he almost flipped the side by side, which is very interesting.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, we do have a few cinematic stuff that we're gonna show you guys now, in just a little bit right after this.
I think we already showed them in the intro.
Oh yeah, that's right. I have this backwards. I ain't thinking straight. So we did some cinematic stuff. We got a picture though of after we got unstuck.
Yeah.
So we'll show you guys that.
Hopefully it's a good picture. I couldn't tell from when I took it.
Yeah. So I don't think we have enough footage for this to be 2 parts. So we're gonna get the first part of tomorrow with you guys in just a little bit. So we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
See you then.
Day 2. We currently have our camera set up.
Trying to, at least.
Working on that. We got some people over on the oval track on the drag strip. I think we're gonna go check that out and show you guys that because we didn't really put it on camera last time. And for the campsite, you guys saw a little bit of that in that montage earlier. So they're packing up because there's people in our group that are leaving to tonight or tomorrow, or one of the 2. So they're doing their stuff today. So we're gonna go over there real quickly. So we'll catch you guys when we're over there.
Yep.
See ya.
Welcome to the oval track, baby.
on 2 wheels.
I saw that. I pulled it back to get us back on 2. Yeah. I hit the turn too hard and I hit a run on electrical.
Oh yeah, I was like, oh, they're gone.
No more racing, I'll just hit the drag strip.
You want to? Hold on, wait for Will.
I don't know where it is at.
Oh shoot, Will crashed.
What's up, Wheeler Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who subscribed, and if you guys haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free and you can change your mind at any time. Not to mention the fact that it helps out the channel. Also, if you guys want to get to know us personally and understand why we're so stupid, please be sure to follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description down below. You guys can see everything ranging from updates to us just ripping around in the yard and having some fun. If you guys also are interested in any of the stuff that we do or anything the stuff that we've posted on the channel so far, there's links also in our description down below, ranging from the sticker guy that we were talking about, and we showed that video of him earlier, all the way to the Honda website and the Yamaha website themselves, where you guys can check out personal parts for any of the quads that are produced by Yamaha and Honda. And I guess on that note, let's say a huge thank you again. Love you guys, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.